After months of negotiations, we're getting close to the deadline for a deal between NCH and the insurance company Florida Blue. I'm your Naples community correspondent, Mahmoud Bennett, and it all comes down to who should pay more. A looming decision could affect more than 40,000 patients. On Tuesday, NCH hosted an open house to update the community on their discussions with Florida Blue. In an ongoing disagreement, NCH believes Florida Blue is underpaying the local hospital for its healthcare services and has not kept up with rising costs. But Florida Blue disagrees, saying they have offered reasonable rate increases and that NCH is the one demanding far too much.
Yeah, so what NCH is looking for is a fair payment rate. We know from publicly reported data that was published by Florida Blue that NCH gets paid 30 to 40% less than other healthcare systems in our markets.
John Kling is the Chief Operations Officer of NCH. I spoke to him just ahead of an open house they're hosting to update the community. He explained that if they don't reach a deal by September 30th, Florida Blue insurance holders coming to NCH would be considered out of network, meaning they'd have to pay more out of pocket per visit.
So we have about 40,000 members that we know of at Florida Blue in our community. If we went out of network, that doesn't mean we're not going to care for patients. Florida Blue, any healthcare insurance actually, pays for emergency care whether they're in or out of network.
I reached out to Florida Blue and they gave me a statement accusing NCH of a misleading marketing campaign. Quote, "We're asking NCH to do their part in addressing the spiraling cost of healthcare services and improving care delivery." They added, "Unfortunately, NCH leaders have refused to work with us on these issues." Both NCH and Florida Blue tell Fox 4 they are still committed to working out a deal before the October 1st deadline.
We don't want this to impact our patients, our community. We want to continue to provide the great care we have for over 65 years. The best case scenario, that we come to an agreement before this ends, but if that doesn't happen, then we will be out of network October 1st.
Reporting in Naples, Mahmoud Bennett, Fox 4 News.